Okay, it's NFP day. It is NFP day. As you can see, the previous one was like this. However, when it comes to NFP, you don't really consider just the number of this one alone, but you have to consider the numbers of the unemployment rate as well. So you see, for the previous case, this was on the 4th of November, which means it was the first Friday of last month. Very good. With that being said, the focus was 3.6%, of which it came out as negative. It's actually more. You know, these are the kind of confusing numbers. When the percentages are more, that is negative for the economy of the United States. So meaning that 3.7 was more than 3.4. That was the focused value. So because of that, it has now made it such that just hold on, I'm going to start recording on the computer as well. Yeah, because I need to see exactly what is happening on the markets, because as I speak about this, you'll be able to see what will happen on the market as well, because then time will actually be counting. And yeah, I see that I actually didn't put on any timing app on this one, of which it's a little bit so let me see if I can find the candle timer here. If it's not there, then it's fine. Okay, there are no candle timer there. So I see I only have very few seconds, so I can't really mess with this now. So candle timer. No, this is too late for candle timers. I'm leaving the candle timer alone so I can focus on watching what the market says. So because I only have a few seconds on the phone, as I see that I have only, okay, it's now 29:44 seconds. Okay, very good. I see that the market was busy moving down. However, I'm going to wait and see what the number will come looking like. So as I see, I only have less than 1 second, and boom, the NFP has hit, and I see that the data has been, it is a sell. Jesus, okay. This was indeed a powerful sell. And I see that I actually got the data. However, I delayed to even take a sell. This was a short sell, but I delayed to take the sell. And then I saw that there was a little bit of a delay. When the data came out, there were still enough split seconds to really enter that. So that huge tail that I see right there, it was supposed to be that huge shoot, it was supposed to be a good sell. But okay, fine, I was too late for that already, so I decided to leave it alone, because this is what it is. This is now NFP, and for everybody else that was prepared for this, I saw that what is this? I saw that the economic calendar from investing.com actually provided the data well in time. It was updated just split second before this huge candle came by. So because of that, this is a sure tell that there was definitely good enough time for this one to work out. However, as I've said, I was not prepared for this. I was not prepared in any way to be trading on this one. So I did not trade it. I just leave it alone. I just left it alone even when I saw that it was indeed pushing down lower. Because this is what I'm talking about. If you look at this number is now saying this one right here, 263. It is more than the 200k that was the cons, meaning that this makes the US dollar more powerful. And because of the actual on unemployment rate, the unemployment rate did not change. Because of that, the unemployment rate actual right here, it did not change, and because of that, it did not change. It remains at 2.7 as it was focused on. So because of that, it means that only now one number, that is the 263K, that had an effect, meaning that the US dollar is powerful and it was gonna shoot the US 30 down as it did. Why? The reason being is that the currency, the US dollar on the US 30, it is in such a way that it also appears on the right hand side of the US 30, which means that if the US dollar is powerful, it is going to push the market to the downside. So next time, if you really want to catch this NFP, you could have doubled, tripled, quadrupled, or 5 times your account, even 10 times. Whatever your risk may be, this is a powerful move that you just see right there. So this was supposed to be a clear sell. This was indeed a powerful NFP signal, and I see so many people will be rejoicing in power for this powerful candle right here, because this is actually even in accordance to our strategy, that it was already showing that it is gonna be down, most importantly. So if I was prepared for this is just because I had to do it for you, but if I was prepared to trade NFP, then I could have been on a sell already long time, because many times the market will follow the direction that was already set prior the initial prior the NFP event itself. And this was a powerfully, beautifully sell that I saw right there. So it has even given me a good chance to actually enter a sell when I saw the NFP figure. So however, that being said, I'm not going to worry myself about this. This is just a once in a lifetime opportunity. It only comes once a month, and I see that the people who were always prepared for this one has actually got so much out of this move today, because even though when it was still moving down, it has given a little bit pause somewhere here, a little bit of a pause somewhere here I saw. So meaning that if it could give a pause somewhere here, that just mean that it was still in a very good position to actually do better for almost everyone who was acting on this type of trade. So yeah, this is what it is. I did not manage to catch any of this trade, but what I have observed is that the market has shown this figure before the candle happened. I mean, the investing.com, it has showed this figure before the move happened. So they were somewhat a few split second enough to actually enter the market. However, I didn't do it. As you see on my timer on the top there, it was just right on that time when this one came, and there was a little bit delay in the market movement. So yeah, this, for the ones that were prepared for it, are smiling today. Yeah, so this is what it is. And yeah, you can just check out your market movements and you'll be good. So yeah, I see now, because the movement was straightforward for this reason, there is not actually going to be any yeah, I don't really foresee any real powerful movement anytime soon that is coming from a settled market, because the market has actually made such a huge move already, and because of that, I don't see what will happen. But yeah, in a few minutes, sure enough, there will be a move that will actually continue the initial move that has been determined by the NFP event already. So this is what I'm saying now, and I am out for now.